All right, now let's start with what is Dockerfile. Okay, so as you can see, this is from the official documentation. Docker can build images automatically by reading instruction from a Docker file. So what is Docker file? So the Docker file is a text document that contains all the commands a user could call on the command line to assemble an image. Okay, so using the Docker build command, users can create an automated build that executes several command line instructions in succession. Okay, so the Docker file is a file that contains all the instruction to build a specific image for you. Okay, so for example, you are using Ubuntu image and you need specific or special packages with additional packages or repositories or whatever. So you build that and automate the process by writing the Docker file. So after you build and you write your Docker file with a specific format, specific things, we will not handle it here right now. We will handle it later on. Don't worry at all. We will use this command, the docker build dot. Dot means that build at the current directory. And this file, actually, the syntax, the file must be exactly like this. The D is capital. And as you can see, without space between the docker and file. Okay, so D capital, docker file. Okay, so this file must be existed on the same directory, and we build this image or this custom image regarding or depending on the Docker file format or what instruction inside it. Okay, okay. Now here you can see more examples if you are interested actually to see, but don't worry. Now, as you can see, here are some of the examples. Like you can see, run echo hello or whatever. All right, now let's see another examples. Yeah, let's see this one. So this is an example for a Docker file. So you can see this, after all, it is a text file. Okay, and it has this string from busybox. This is the name of the image. Inf whatever, workdir whatever, add dot to this place. It's okay. Copy this and put it to this place. Okay, so it's okay. Just keep that on your mind for now. We will handle that in details, actually, step by step. We will write that from the scratch. So don't worry. But for now, keep in your mind what is the Docker file and why it is used and what are the commands. Just keep that in your mind. Okay? And actually, it has a Docker ignore and a lot of things. Okay? So for now, please don't worry. Don't panic. Keep that in your mind. What is the Docker file? Okay? That's what is this lecture about. All right? Just a theory part. What is the Docker file? We learned it is a text document, contains all the commands you need it to build your custom image. And you can see that Docker can build images automatically by reading instruction from this Docker file. All right. So for now, please keep that in your mind. Okay. In the next lecture, we will learn something else, which is something called Docker Compose. But again, it is a theory part. We didn't reach the practical part. Don't worry, we will reach it when we are ready. All right. So the most important thing is to understand the concepts, the terms, what is that, what is this, and make a very good background before we start the real action. Okay. All right. I will see you in the next lecture.